it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a new package here from Melody Susie. So I'm going to open this baby up and show you what's inside. It's a brand new e-file. I think it is available today. So all the links will be in the description box. I think this is their like newest model. Could be like an anniversary thing. I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to check it out. I'm so excited. I'm going to move my box aside here because I don't really have enough room where my camera's sitting. We're gonna take this baby out of the box and see what we got. So it came really nicely packaged as always. Melody Susie always has great packaging. So this is the S series, the SM200F nail drill. So as always, whatever you prefer to say, e-file, nail drill. E-file is a professional term. I understand. They call it a drill. So in my mind, it's interchangeable. So the first thing you got here is a little warranty information card, which is always great to have. And then you've got your instruction manual. It's a good idea to read through this. Make sure you know how to use the unit and follow all the guidelines. And then we have the unit itself. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen this yet, you guys. This is so cute. I didn't know it was going to be pink. Oh my gosh, it's so, oh, it's tiny. Oh, it's so much smaller than my other one. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. I need to take this off. Let's see. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. So it's a really pretty blush pink with the gold accents. Oh, look at how pretty. So it's got a spot here to clip in for your hand piece. And I'm sure all that stuff's in the bottom here. Here is the hand piece. Set this down. See if I can get this hand piece out. Oh, it's tiny too. Oh, it's really small. There is the hand piece. It's got a lock mechanism, which I like. I don't like the ones that are you just force in. I really dislike those. There's the spot to plug in. So let's see where all the other stuff is. I'm gonna set this handpiece right there so I don't throw it in the floor accidentally. Okay, so here's all the other goodies that you get. This is our cord for a handpiece. And this is our charging cord here. It comes, some files that I've gotten before just have the USB part and not this part, but I'm glad it has both. So we are going to plug that in and charge it, and we're going to use it today. So I'm going to show you, you know, the unboxing and everything. Then I'm going to use it. I'm going to definitely try to remember to record so I don't have to do it on myself again, but I'm going to use it on my clients for a week, at least a good solid work week, like 7 days worth of clients. And then I'm going to come back to you and let you know my final thoughts on it, because I really feel like you can't just say, oh, this is a great file, like just by opening it up and turning it on. And, you know, I think it needs to be used over a little bit of time. The last one I got from Melody Susie was this guy right here. Let me tell you, I still use this thing every day. I absolutely love it. This has been my favorite one from them ever, and super surprised on how much I like it because it's just a pin drill. So I'm so excited to try this one out because their e-files are pretty fantastic. Okay, so here is our hand piece, and that will go right in the side here. Clicks right in, and then that way you have somewhere to put that. And then we're going to plug this in. Let me see, are these the same? They look to be the same. So it's got a fat end and a skinny end. I'm not sure it matters which end of this cord goes into which end of these, but you always want to make sure you're plugged in nice and tight. Okay. And we've got a chuck in here, so I'm just going to check, make sure that's in there good and secure, and then we're going to turn it on, see if it's got any charge to it. Hear how it sounds. Okay, it is on. I feel it running. This is a 35,000 RPM, I believe. You can see the little display. It says it's in forward, and this has that really awesome function on it where you can pause and switch to reverse and then turn it back on. I love the pause play button on these. That has been awesome. The orange one that I had that had the like click that you paused, I did not like that one. That one took me way too long to try to get used to. It wasn't my favorite, but I like that it's got a little button there. Switch forward or reverse. This is your on and off and your speed. So you're gonna click it on, you're gonna be in forward, and then it's your speed. And then it clicks off. So very cute little unit. The unit itself is very lightweight. The handpiece, it's got a good weight to it. It's not like really heavy, but it doesn't feel like super lightweight and cheap. It feels nice in the hand. It's not too big, not too small. I think it's a nice size. It's not like a super skinny one, but it's not those big giant ones either, which I really dislike. I like the smaller ones, so I feel like I'm going to be able to use this well. So I'm going to plug it in. The little plug-in is right here on the bottom, and I'm going to let that charge a bit. Even though it looked like it was pretty much charged, I'm still going to let it charge a bit, and then I'm going to record doing my client's nails with it. We'll check the torque on it, see what kind of power this baby has, and I will come back to you with my final thoughts on it in about a week. So other little pieces in here, you get your little standard bit kit that has a mandrel, some sanding bands, and some diamond bits, an extra bag of sanding bands, and then a couple of bits, one carbide, one ceramic. Ooh, this one looks really nice. A nice little safety bit. Looks like a medium. Does it say? Doesn't look like it says, but looks to be about a medium. This one looks to be a medium as well. Yeah, that one's a medium. And yeah, so those are always nice to have. That's everything in the box. And now we're going to use it. Am I in frame? We're going to keep the shape, but take them way down, right? Mm-hmm. Gotcha. Hey guys, so I am back. It has been about 2 weeks now that I have been using this little unit. Let me grab a bit and I'll just get like my little chuck here and put it in. And I am going to show you all the features of this e-file that I have been using now for 2 weeks. And then I will give you my final thoughts. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I was going to use it. That way I had a good like gauge of like how much I liked it, how well it worked. So how you use this unit, and I believe a lot of units are like this now because the last one they sent me, this little pin drill, is kind of the same way. So this is your on and off switch. That also controls your speed. Okay. If you are doing like your cuticle prep and you're down on like, 10, 14, you hit the pause button. That will stop it from spinning. And then you change your direction. And then you hit the play button, pause play, and then it starts spinning in the opposite direction. You can just pause it, put it to the side, grab it, turn it back on when you're ready to go again. Pause it, put it back and forward, turn it back on, you're ready to go again. If you want to turn the unit completely off, that is up here, and that turns the unit completely off. Used to be on and off, right? And then your forward reverse little toggle switch was up here. And you would have to turn your unit off completely, switch it, turn it back on, go back to the speed you want. I'm obsessed with this feature. I wasn't sure how I would like it at first, but now that I'm used to it, and it is the same way for this one that I had previously, pause, forward, reverse, play, and then your speed up here. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. It just makes me able to work a lot faster on my clients. So that is an amazing feature that I hope they continue to use on their e-files from now on. It would be great. So this is their 15th anniversary drill. Let me pull up the information here. So it is, yes, their 15th anniversary, and this is the SM200F Plus. It has 35,000 RPMs, and let me tell you, it says it's lightweight, rechargeable, and has high torque. It is very lightweight. This little unit will be so perfect for traveling, for doing pedicures. I absolutely love it. The torque on it is so great. So between this one and the last one that they sent me, I put my Kira Sky e-file in a drawer. I kid you not. It is in a drawer. I'll show it to you. I will take you over there and show it to you right now. Are you ready? There she sits. Just awaiting. So I mean, the Kira Sky was okay, but there was something wrong with the torque on it. I don't know what happened. My co-owner, Amanda, she had a Kira Sky that was pink. It was amazing. And for Christmas, she wanted to buy us both white because everything on our desks are white and we like to kind of keep it in the theme. She bought us both an e-file in white and they are both junk. I don't know what's happened. I feel like I won't go into a rant about Kira Sky right now, but I've got opinions. But anyways, this little unit is available today. Happy 15th anniversary, Melody Susie. Thank you so much for sending me this unit. It's fantastic. I even let Amanda use it for a day. And she loved it too. She goes, here, take your oh, wait, she's here. I'm going to have her give her opinion on it as well. Good morning, Manders.
Good morning.
Tell the people what you thought about this little drill when you used it.
I loved it. And I have a Kira Sky.
Yes.
Which I do not love and paid way too much money for.
Yes.
And that drill right there almost did not vibrate at all on my wrist.
Yeah.
There was little to no vibration.
Yep.
And I did 4 or 5 clients yesterday with it.
And when you do like your prep work, the torque, it never skipped or anything?
Not one time.
Yeah.
And I used it at the same speeds that I used the Kira Sky.
And it worked perfect?
Yes.
Awesome.
Everything. My only complaint was I wish I had a stand.
Yes, that's my only complaint too with both of the units that I was sent recently. For the way we work, we don't have this like clip to our belt or anything. We have it sitting on our desk, so it needs something to sit in. I know you can buy something like from Amazon to set them in, but it would be nice if Melody Susie had a stand specific for each of their units. I would buy one for sure, but she loves it. I love it. I used it for 2 weeks. I only had to charge it one time, and that was after the 2 weeks. I charged it up and let Amanda use it, and the battery lasts on it a really long time. I think it's a fantastic unit. Between these two, that Kira Sky will probably stay in my drawer. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you again, Melody Susie. I appreciate it so much. I love this little unit, and thank you all for watching. I do have links for the unit and discount codes in the description box, so make sure you check all of that out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.